Welcome to the video tutorials of mechanisms by mekanizmalar. A linkage mechanism plays a very important role in many machines and devices. The 4-bar linkage system is the fundamental building block of many machines. Very complex linkage system can be built by combining them. The Theo Jansen mechanism shown in this video is one of them. What is so interesting about this system is that, by using only one circular motion, you can control 4 legs to simulate the walking of a 4-legged animal. In my website, you can see a flash simulation of the Theo Jansen mechanism where you can adjust the length of the different parts of the linkages. In that animation, I wanted to show a pair of front and back legs working in tandem. Here, I want to show all 4 legs in action by simulating the walking of a 4-legged animal. The program is written in an object-oriented way so that simulation of many animals can be made, rather than one. One disadvantage of using one motor to simulate walking of a 4-legged animal is that it is difficult to steer it in the desired direction. This could be overcome by using 2 or 4 motors, and I am planning on making an animation to show that in the near future. I do not know any practical application of the Theo Jansen mechanism, however it is very good linkage system to teach and fun to build. If you find this animation interesting, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.